Hello everybody, welcome back. And if you're new here, please like, subscribe, share, comment down there at the bottom if you have any questions. The new YouTube algorithm doesn't know you're even there unless you interact with the video somehow. So I'd appreciate some subscriptions and some likes and even some input. Today we're going to ride around at night on my SEGWAY Mini Pro or 9-bot Mini Pro, just to display some of the nighttime features. So let's turn this on. It is a self-balancing. You see it just picked itself up. And there you go. Those are the headlights. If I turn it around, you'll see the lights. It's even got blinkers. You can see it cuts off the lights and it turns them yellow, just like on your vehicle. It's got a backup. Turns red when you're backing them up. Now, if you've never been on one of these before, they're fairly easy. As you can see on the pad here, you have the arrows pointing in the direction you got to go, so you always jump on it from the rear. So I'm going to jump on this thing real quick. You just got to be quick with it. Nice fluid motion. I am on grass. This thing's pretty decent. I've put them on grass, and I got a little patch here from where I park my car. Nice soft sand. I'm going through. See, those lights are pretty bright. My road here is fairly dark. As you can see, the lights are pretty bright. Now, if you've never noticed this before, this thing will beep and alert you for everything. If you're going too fast, if your tilt is wrong, and if you reverse, it just alerts people around you that you're at least doing something, you're backing up and stuff. You see, yes, you can go through the grass. You can go through certain dirt. I've ridden this thing in the rain and through mud. I've ridden it through all types of crazy terrain. I don't know about beach sand itself because it's super soft, but there is another model called the Scout Edition. In the Scout Edition, it's got studded tires. It's got bigger flares. It's even got brush guards and stuff. So if you're all about being off-roading, then you might want to go grab one of those. All right, there's another front view. Okay, this here would be your battery level, and that's the Bluetooth connectivity. It allows the unit to be connected to your phone via the app. This is where the charging port is. I mean, it's a fun little toy. So this is a quick video, just a nighttime overview. Not many people get to see these at night. And I just like, this is one of the safest transporters out there. You see it self-balances. As soon as I shut it off, it wants to flip over. But if I turn it on, from the position it's in, you can just jump on it. I just wanted to show you guys what it was like to ride one of these at night. Let me see if I can turn my light back on. Like I said in my previous video, fun little toy. I always have so much fun on this. You get crazy looks if you're the type that likes the attention. I mean, they've been out for a while, but there aren't enough of them out there for people to be used to them. So you'll still get looks and oohs and ahs. And so yeah, that's my Ninebot Mini Pro, or the SEGWAY Mini Pro. And that's about it for now. Nice quick video. I don't got much for this one. Stay tuned for my other SEGWAY videos of where I diagnose some brake light problems on my scooter, on the ES2. So if you want some information and some do-it-yourself on those, stay tuned, subscribe for that, and keep an eye out for that video. I appreciate you guys' time. Be nice to each other. Peace.